Hey, I've been kind of a douchebag, and here it is, August 16th, and y'all did me a birthday thing, and I don't know if you can see it right there, and over there, and right there. I've used it quite a few times. It is it's amazing, and it folds up. It's light, but been a little distracted, so I didn't get my thank yous out. And so I'm gonna do it individually, and I'm gonna send you stuff too. But you know, because I like being on camera. My 40th birthday. Some very dear people seen a post that I made as a joke on Facebook for a new lawnmower, and they went around with my wife and bought me a new lawnmower. It's a fancy pantsy electric. It's got 2 blades, folds up, mulches, chips. It does a whole lot. It's got lights, but it's pretty cool. It's let me see if I can turn this camera around. Got 2 blades, folds up, and it's got lights. You can see the lights right there. Got some lights. You got the cool buttons, everything, and then the battery. I can do my whole yard twice without charging it, or having to recharge it rather. And it's pretty light. I can pick it up, but I got a bum foot that I probably shouldn't be walking on, but right upon that. But yeah, it's really cool. So seriously, you guys are awesome. Everyone is awesome. All the love that you guys have given me has been great. But specifically, George Radermeyer, Rudemeyer, Shannon Ripley, Stephanie and Gary, Stephanie Sawyer, Gary Tadlock, thank you. Billy, Jesse Witt, you guys are awesome. Thank you, appreciate it. My big sister Terry, Kelly and Eric, whoop whoop. I got Stephanie and Jason Borth. You guys, I miss you guys. You need to come around. You guys, your old house is by our church. Just saying. Wayne and Jessica, thank you so much. Really, you guys are awesome. Ben and his family. Ben, thank you, sir. I really appreciate it. John and Amber. John, we live here in Illinois. You could come by anytime you want. David and Missy. David, missed you last Saturday, bro. Called you, tried to get you to come to game night. Thank you, guys. Grandma Helen, Mama Helen. Thank you, Mama. And then Aunt Kathy and Uncle Chuck. Thank you, guys. I love you. I appreciate everyone who came out for my birthday on June. And sorry it's taken so long to get out to this point, but I love you guys. Thank you so much. It's really helped my morale. So, P.S. The only one I got anything for milking my ankle was George. So I'm expecting some magic cards. Just so you know. Love you guys.